I welcome everybody to my world once again. We're stuck in quarantine, so I thought, why not make another video? This video is about how I personally deal with nasty people when I'm making calls. I'm sure a lot of you have come across this as well. When you call somebody and they just snap at you. I'll give you a couple examples that have happened to me repeatedly. Why are you calling me at this time? Don't you have a life? What's wrong with you, man? How dare you call me? I'm gonna report you. Here's what I do. Whenever I get something like that, along those lines, something nastier, less nasty, doesn't matter. I just say, hey man, my bad, I got you at the wrong time. Hope you have a great day. I hang up. I never apologize. I say that, yeah, it's my bad that I got you at the wrong time, but as you can see, I did not apologize. Why? Because I didn't do anything wrong to that person. Did I beat them up? Did I abuse them? Did I steal their wife? Or maybe their husband? I don't roll that way. Did I dent their car, steal from their house? Did I do anything bad to actually hurt them? I did not. All I did was make a phone call, and nobody can read minds. And when you make a phone call, you might have caught them at the wrong time. Maybe they were in a lovey-dovey session with themselves or with their significant other. People need an outlet to release their anger, their stress that they've accumulated from the hours during the day, or maybe days or months. They need an outlet. So when a stranger calls them and doesn't even say much, that's a way for them to release that. Never take these things personal. You see, it's making a phone call to a random stranger is just like smiling and nodding to somebody walking down the road. Did you do anything wrong? All you did was smile and nod. Similarly, if you're in sales and you make a phone call and you catch somebody at the wrong time, just acknowledge it. Hey, I think I got you at the wrong time. I hope you have a great day. And hang up. That's it. No need to sleep on it. No need to think about it. No need to justify yourself. No need to stay on the line to listen to their nasty words. Keep it simple. Move forward. Hundreds of thousands of other people who probably will appreciate you for what you offer and what you are and who you are. We're done.